Hey, what's going on, guys? And for today, we are going to talk about Rocket Money, the all-in-one solution designed to simplify your financial journey. Today, we are going to take you on a guided tour of this powerful tool, highlighting its key features and benefits while also discussing some potential drawbacks. Let's start with the pros. One major pain point for many people is keeping tabs on their numerous subscriptions. With the Rocket Money, you gain access to a dedicated subscription control center which consolidates all your active memberships in one place. This feature ensures you always know exactly what you're paying for and eliminate the risk of forgetting about unused services. To help you take charge of your finances, Rocket Money provides real-time insights into your spending habits. It breaks down your expenditures into clear categories, making it easier to identify trends and areas where you might be able to cut back. Additionally, customizable notifications ensure you remain aware of upcoming charges and low balances. Another standout aspect of Rocket Money is its ability to negotiate better deals on your existing bills. Whether it's reducing your monthly cell phone or cable costs, getting reimbursed for overdraft or late fees, or finding more affordable auto insurance, Rocket Money has got you covered. Their team of experts does the legal work for you, ensuring you receive the best possible rates without lifting a finger. Setting realistic budgetary targets is crucial for achieving long-term financial success. Rocket Money offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to create personalized budget plans based on your unique needs and goals. The platform even calculates your spending allowance each month, helping you stick to your plan and avoid overspending. Last but certainly not least, Rocket Money empowers users to automate their savings efforts. By connecting your checking and savings accounts, the platform determines the ideal time to transfer funds into high-yield savings vehicles. As a result, you build wealth passively, reaching your savings milestones quicker and avoiding costly overdraft fees. Now let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While Rocket Money takes great strides to protect your sensitive information, concerns regarding data privacy persist among some users. Ensuring that your private details remain secure should be a priority when using such a comprehensive financial management tool. Although Rocket Money offers a wide range of useful features, some users may desire greater flexibility and customizability within the application itself. If you prefer fine-grained control over every aspect of your financial planning, Rocket Money might not meet those expectations entirely. Finally, like most technology-driven solutions, Rocket Money relies heavily on internet connectivity and functional devices. Users who lack consistent access to reliable technology infrastructure could face challenges utilizing the platform effectively. In conclusion, Rocket Money represents a compelling option for individuals seeking to streamline their financial lives. Its robust suite of features addresses common pain points associated with managing subscriptions, tracking spending, and building savings. However, prospective users must weigh the potential risk against the rewards before committing to this innovative financial management tool. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.